Hello again, beautiful people. I'm Phoenix, a consumer turned prosumer. Welcome to my channel where we share about the perks of being a prosumer. Today, we're going to talk about the detergents in Atomy. Zooming in, we'll be able to see that it says that it's ultra concentrated. This is high concentrate. This is ultra concentrated as well. And the main focus today is this 7 no's of the Atomy detergents. First no artificial color. Artificial color has no cleaning power at all. They're added purely for the aesthetic appeal to consumers. How do we tell that there is no artificial coloring? Simple, just pour it out. You can see with your naked eyes that this is transparent. Thick. And the powder here, it is purely white. As for the softener, it's also white, which is the color of the main ingredient used in the softener, the white blossom. Second no whitening agents. Also known as bleaching agents, they irritate the skin, eyes, and lungs, and when they're mixed with wastewater, they can form toxic organic compounds. Third no petroleum-based surfactant. Surfactant's job is to improve water's ability to wet things and to seep into dirty clothes fibers. They help water get hold of grease, break it up, and wash it away. But the process of making petroleum-based surfactant is very costly, energy-intensive, and harmful to the environment because it increases the greenhouse gases and global warming. They can interfere with our natural hormone production, and they're often associated with neurologic disease, attention deficit disorder, and a weakened immune system. One way to find out whether the detergents that you're using has petroleum-based surfactant is to put them on the palm of your hands. And after a few minutes, you'll find that the hand that is holding the brand X detergents has burning sensation and you want to let go immediately. And this does not happen with Atomy Fabric Detergent, which is an indication that it has no petroleum-based surfactant. Fourth no parabens. Parabens are widely used as preservatives to extend the shelf life of products. Parabens are proven to enter the bloodstream within minutes of application. It can disrupt with the natural defenses of the organisms, hormonal systems, sperm productions, cause allergies, skin irritation, skin aging, and they can also damage the liver and kidneys. The fifth no fluorescent. Brighter white, brighter colors. What's creating all this brightness? It is a chemical known by the name brightening agent /fluorescent /optical brightness /fluorescent brightening agent /fluorescent whitening agent /UV brightness. They are referring to the same thing. They are formulated to remain on our clothes to absorb UV light to make clothes appear brighter with vivid colors. The problem is, they are just hiding stains and they do not remove stains at all. They are just reflecting light so that we cannot see the stains. They are constantly in contact with our skin and are breathed in through the lungs, which is why many people develop skin irritations and rashes from the exposure to fluorescent agent. On top of that, they are toxic to fish and causes bacterial mutations. The sixth no phosphate. This chemical is used by manufacturers to enhance the cleaning power of the detergents. It breaks down dirt particles and removes stains by softening the water in which suds or bubbles will form. These keep dirt from settling back on clothes when washing. Why should we avoid this chemical? It is because it causes great environmental damage. Even after the wastewater process, phosphate remains active and they flow into the river or lake that causes damage to the ecosystem. How? Phosphate fertilizes the algae, and as the algae blooms, it suffocates the aquatic life and starves them of oxygen. And to human, phosphate exposures causes cardiovascular disease, nausea, diarrhea, and also skin irritations. The seventh no animal ingredient. So it's free from 7 harmful ingredients, but what about the washing power? Is it still effective without using all these chemicals? Let's find out. I know that many people doesn't like to use powder detergent because it makes the clothes feel very stiff or hard after washing with it. Do you know why? It's because most manufacturers would add this one chemical named zeolite. So what does the zeolite do? The zeolite is there to prevent the detergents from sticking together. So how do we know whether Atomy's detergent is free from zeolite? Here's what you can do. Over here, I have some samples of detergents from brand X. So I'm going to put one small scoop into clear water. And one small scoop of Atomy Fabric Detergent into clear water. To find out whether there's zeolite in your powder detergent, use this to stir it as if you're washing your clothes. Stir them in cold water. So after a while, you can notice such a huge difference where Atomy's powder is fully dissolved and it's clear. While brand X, well, you can still see the particles dancing around. It's there, and water is a bit murky. This is how you know which one is free from zeolite and which is not. Now you know which one to choose if you don't want to have stiff clothing after washing. Now, what about the cleansing power? Let's see. So here I'll put some iodine. That's quite some iodine one. Oops. Well, isn't it very obvious? So Atomy cleanses very quickly while brand X doesn't do very well. What to do? We can actually move this experiment further. Let's see. What will happen? Look at that. Look at the color. From yellow, it turns clear. So this is the power of Atomy Fabric Detergent. It can help clean things that are flowing into the river before it harms the environment. Amazing cleansing power and doesn't harm even the most sensitive skin. And it's also very environment friendly. So I've placed both powder detergent in a clear container and you can see the differences. This one actually has some color in it, and Atomy's powder detergent, the fabric detergent, it's crystal clear. Their cleaning power comes from plant-based surfactant, natural soda ash, baking soda, pine needle extract, and this fabric detergent here uses enzyme, but not just any enzyme, it's impact-zyme, which explains why both of them are very effective in removing tough stains and also eliminating bad odor even if we do indoor drying. So if you want to purchase these Atomy products, you can do so by registering as a member, and you can start to make purchase on the Atomy website by yourself. Remember that there is no registration fee, no membership fee, no annual fee.